Another package from Red Magic. May bagong labas na naman sila, guys. Red Magic 10S Pro. Powered by the latest sa Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite. Sobrang ng lakas. And eto, pakita ko muna sa inyo unboxing bago ko gagawin ng full review pretty soon. So guys, ito na yung kanyang packaging, no? Makita natin dito, I have a 16 gigs of RAM, 512 gigs of storage na 10S Pro. Ang kanyang color is dusk, which is yung kanyang premium color, which is the transparent one. Yeah. Okay, so we have is yung kanyang small box, SIM ejector tool. We have your warranty card dito. And of course, yan ang case. Hindi siya jelly this time around. Solid. Smoke black case. Okay. So, I have the phone itself here. I have the charging brick, type C. Yeah, C to C. Yung nagusto ko kay Red Magic naka C to C na. Yan. Okay. Unlike sa ibang brands, hindi pa rin nag-a-adapt. A to C pa rin. No? So, good thing sa kanya, alam mo naman natin, si Red Magic, walang ano yan. Walang punch hole. Manipis ang kanyang bezel. We have yung kanyang fan dito sa likod. Yeah, ganda oh. Pretty nice, solid. And ganito yung tsura sa ilalim. Solid feel, metal frames, glass back, no? And sabi ko sa inyo, sturdy na sturdy yung hawakan, no? Just quickly check yung kanyang front-facing camera. Kasi, ano lang kakabukas ko lang ng halos, no? Yan, take a quick snap. Dito, galing to kay Memento, no? And I would say na not bad, no? Makikita mo more photo samples that I'll be capturing sa aking full review. So don't forget to subscribe para sa full review ng Red Magic 10S Pro.